How to make a double crochet. First, make your foundation chains, and I have a separate video tutorial if you don't know how to do it. To start, we will insert our hook into the third chain. Sew yarn over. Insert your hook into the third chain from the hook. Grab a yarn and pull through. Grab a yarn and pull through 2 loops. Grab a yarn again and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. That is how you make a double crochet. Again, yarn over and insert your hook into the next chain. Grab a yarn and pull through. Grab a yarn and pull through 2 loops. Grab a yarn again and pull through remaining 2 loops on your hook. Repeat till the last chain and I will show you how to start the second row. For the second row, chain 2, turn your work, start on the next stitch. Skip the first stitch and consider your chain 2 as your first double crochet for the row. So insert your hook into the next stitch and start working your double crochet.